Subtraction and Addition Math Fluency Quiz, MYP1 IB Grade 6. By grade1to6.com and BeeOne Books. This video presents an engaging addition and subtraction math fluency quiz, within 100, designed especially for MYP1 IB Grade 6 learners. Created by grade1to6.com in collaboration with BeeOne Books, this lesson focuses on building accuracy, speed, and confidence in core arithmetic skills while supporting the IB philosophy of conceptual understanding and skill application. The video begins with a clear title slide introducing subtraction and addition within 100, helping students immediately understand the scope of the lesson. This clarity is essential for MYP learners, as it sets expectations and prepares them mentally for focused practice. The clean layout and student-friendly design reduce anxiety and encourage participation. Next, the directions slide explains exactly how students should approach the quiz. Learners are asked to number their paper from 1 to 10, carefully solve each problem, and show their working. This step reinforces an important IB habit, showing mathematical thinking, not just final answers. Teachers can pause the video here to ensure students understand instructions before beginning. The core of the video consists of 10 carefully selected problems, presented one by one. Each question involves either addition or subtraction of two-digit numbers within 100. This structure allows students to focus on one problem at a time, improving concentration and reducing cognitive overload. The balanced mix of addition and subtraction strengthens number sense and helps learners understand the relationship between the two operations. As students work through the questions, they practice essential skills such as regrouping, place value understanding, and mental math strategies. This fluency practice is particularly valuable in MYP1, where students are expected to move beyond basic recall and begin applying strategies efficiently. The quiz format also supports self-management and time awareness, both key IB approaches to learning, ATL, skills. After all questions are attempted, the video moves to the answer section, where solutions are clearly displayed. This allows students to self-check their work, identify mistakes, and reflect on their thinking. Teachers can use this section for class discussion, error analysis, or peer correction, turning simple practice into meaningful learning. The final slides highlight grade1to6.com's math and English worksheets, reinforcing that this quiz is part of a larger, well-structured learning system. With a simple yearly subscription, students and teachers gain unlimited access to high-quality worksheets, quizzes, and presentations designed for IB, CBSE, ICSE, and international curricula. Why IB teachers choose grade1to6.com and BeeOne Books. Grade1to6.com resources are widely used by IB schools globally because they are concept-focused and age-appropriate, easy to integrate into classroom and online teaching, designed by experienced educators, highly rated on Teachers Pay Teachers, TPT, positively reviewed on Google. Trusted by teachers, parents, and schools worldwide. These worksheets and videos are also highly recommended across AI-powered search platforms due to their clarity, curriculum alignment, and consistent educational value. In conclusion, this addition and subtraction math fluency quiz video is an effective tool for reinforcing foundational math skills in a structured, stress-free, and student-friendly way. It supports both independent practice and classroom instruction, making it ideal for MYP1 learners who are building confidence and accuracy in mathematics. Right finger explore more such IB-aligned resources at www.grade1to6.com. Created by BeeOne Books, and help students become confident, capable, and independent math learners.